Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and cancel your QuickBooks subscription and export your data. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, let's head into exporting your data. All you need to do is sign in into your QuickBooks Online account in a web browser, then go to Settings, which is going to be the gear icon, and under Tools, select Export Data. On the Reports tab, set the desired date or range using the drop-down menu. Then toggle the switches to add or remove specific items from the reports and list lab and select export to Excel. And once you've done that, in order to go ahead and cancel your subscription, simply head into the settings or gear icon again and select account and settings. Once you've done that, choose billing and subscription from the left hand menu. In the QuickBooks section, select cancel subscription or cancel online, then follow the on-screen steps and provide a reason for cancellation. Confirm cancellation to finalize the process. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.